In this video, we are going to create a simple CSS horizontal scroll container or horizontal content scroller with multiple items inside. Before we start, I already added a Google Fonts link and our CSS style sheet link source. Now, inside the scroll container, let's create another div called scroll inner. Inside this div, I will add all the content items, adding a scroll item class to its container. Add a container div for the image, then add the title tag. Now, we can just create a duplicate of this div and then change the content. Once we are done with that, let's go ahead and add our CSS. Add a box sizing border box. For the scroll container, make sure to add a maximum width so we can see the scroll. For the scroll item, make sure to add the display inline block. For the scroll item's parent div, the scroll inner, add an overflow X scroll. Set the overflow Y to hidden, and make sure to set white space to no wrap. Now that this is working, let's finish this by styling the scroll bar. Thank you for watching.